On the second day of Kyoto, we got to do a walking tour of the city, which allowed us to see the history and the culture, as well as getting to go to the equator. The very first place we got to see was the monastery in Quito. We got to see some old beautiful gardens, we got to hear some old tales about the Catholic heritage of the city. My favourite part of this was actually getting to see Mass in the old cathedral that was inside the monastery. From here we got to see Untitled Church, which was really quite stunning because there was gold everywhere, gold on the ceilings, gold on the walls, gold on the floors. From here we got to see some amazing panoramic views of Kyoto as a whole. We also saw a big statue of Mary stood on the devil, represented as a snake. But the views on top of this hill, well, it's called a hill, but it's much more a mountain to me and you, but it was really quite beautiful. My favourite part of the tour was actually going to the Equator and the World Park Museum. The reason why this was so good because they give you some information about the north and southern hemisphere and why the equator is so important to that gravitational pull that you feel. You actually lose weight when you go there. Not only this, you got to see how Ecuador are related to the Amazon rainforest. You got to see the different tribes that are involved with Ecuador and the rainforest itself. One of the things that was really quite creepy but quite amazing at the same time, the tribes that they were talking about used to have human heads as shrines up until the 1970s. What they do is they pull the skull out of the human body and then use the skin and turn it into a shrine that they'd wear around their neck. The last part of the tour was very interesting. We got to try some cacao, which is basically the seeds which end up into chocolate today, but the very original bits of it. They're a lot more acidic and more of a fruit than you would imagine. It was very strange, but it was very nice. And you also got to taste some of the grounded in bits which taste like dark chocolate. Very strange, but again, really nice.
Hiya, thanks for watching the video. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe below. Remember to click that bell to get all notifications. And if you're looking for more fantastic travel video content, like this click on the videos to the right hand side. It'll be really informative. Or click on the planet logo to the left to go to our website for some fantastic deals. Keep cruising.